Amidst the COVID surge in Delhi, the Kejriwal government has been pulled up by the Delhi High Court. While hearing a plea on the ramping up of COVID testing infrastructure in the capital, the High Court made a series of scathing observations, rapping the Delhi government that they did too little, too late. The High Court questioned the government as to why curbs were relaxed during the festive season, especially when cases were spiking and the air pollution was at its peak. Noticing how the market areas were crowded, the court slammed the Kejriwal government for not enforcing strict social distancing protocols. The court also noted that the Delhi government put a cap on wedding guest limit to 50 after situation got out of hand. Delhi High Court has directed Kejriwal government to now submit a status report on their plan to increase bed capacity in the capital. Anisha Mathur is now joining us live for the very latest. Anisha, if you could just walk our viewers through the Delhi High Court and the fact that the Delhi High Court has rapped the Kejriwal government on different COVID protocols, the fact that there was no social distancing in markets as well, and has asked the Delhi government to file a report on the coronavirus crisis. Throwing straight across to you for the Delhi High Court pulling up the Kejriwal government.
Well, the biggest and most scathing comment coming in from the Delhi High Court today has been that that what is being done is too little and too late. In fact, they've said that considering the population of Delhi, the number of flying squads that have been set up by the government. Remember, the Delhi government has set up 119 enforcement vehicles, 134 enforcement teams, which are patrolling the entire city, finding violators, finding out where people are not wearing masks, where they're not following the social distancing norms. But the court is saying that given the population of the country, this is too little. In fact, they've also questioned why is it that these distancing norms were not properly imposed during the festive season, and why is it that now, once the another peak has come in, that the wedding guest numbers are being now restricted. In fact, they've also in their order noted that the Delhi government has been incorrectly saying that in the press that the third wave has peaked, even though the numbers suggest otherwise. This is a very, very clear comment coming in from the Delhi High Court bench headed by Justice Seema Kohli, that they are not happy with the way the entire situation is being handled in the capital. They've also noted that the fifth zero surveillance report has not yet come, and Delhi is still reeling under the third wave. Remember, this is something going to this. They've also even questioned whether the Delhi's health minister Satyendra Jain, who had said that we are now past the peak of the third wave, the court has said that the numbers don't seem to agree with what the health minister had said, and they've asked the lawyer for the Delhi government, are you willing to retract the statement that has been made? They've also said that it's to know that the number of deaths has climbed up, and they have questioned what kind of arrangements for hospitals, what kind of arrangements for testing is being done. What the positive part of this hearing, however, has been that the government has said that they are ramping up testing. In fact, they're planning on introducing Feluda testing. All right,
Anisha, thanks for getting us all those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.